The "Please wait" message on your AT&T UVerse box is one of the most common technical issues subscribers encounter. This frustrating screen appears when your receiver cannot properly communicate with AT&T's content delivery network. Several factors can trigger this issue. Signal problems occur when the connection strength is too weak. Network connectivity issues disrupt communication with AT&T servers. Software glitches involve firmware bugs or corrupted files. Hardware malfunctions include failing components or overheating. Service outages affect entire regions during maintenance. The first immediate solution is the power cycle method. This simple technique resolves the issue 70 to 80% of the time. Start by unplugging the receiver's power cord and waiting exactly 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, reconnect the power cord and wait 3 to 5 minutes for the receiver to complete its full boot sequence. This allows all internal processes to reinitialize properly. The second method uses your remote control for a system restart. Press and hold the power button for exactly 10 seconds. This initiates an automatic restart cycle that often resolves communication issues. These immediate solutions have a proven success rate of 70 to 80%. Most UVerse subscribers can resolve their "Please wait" screen issues using these simple methods without needing to contact technical support. If these immediate solutions don't resolve your issue, don't worry. There are additional advanced troubleshooting steps that can help restore your UVerse service to normal operation. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the "Please wait" screen, we need to try more advanced solutions. First, let's reset your gateway, which is your modem and router combination device. There are two methods to reset your gateway. Method 1. Locate the small reset button on your device and press it for exactly 30 seconds. Method 2. Simply unplug the power cord for 2 full minutes. After resetting, you must wait for all the indicator lights to stabilize. This typically takes 5 to 10 minutes. Watch for the power, internet, and other status lights to turn solid green or blue. Next, we need to inspect all coaxial cables for damage or loose connections. These cables carry the signal from the wall to your receiver, so proper connections are critical. Check all connections at both the wall outlet and the receiver. Connections should be finger-tight, snug but not over-tightened. Look for any damaged cables, bent connectors, or corrosion. If you find any damaged cables, replace them with RG6 specification coaxial cables. These are the standard for digital TV signals and provide the best signal quality. For advanced diagnostics, you can check your signal strength through your receiver's menu system. Navigate to System Info, then Broadband to view your signal levels. Signal levels should be between -12 and +12 dBm. Values outside this range indicate signal problems that require professional attention. Finally, you should contact AT&T support if problems persist after these steps, if multiple receivers are affected, if signal readings are outside normal range, or if issues recur within 30 days. These advanced troubleshooting steps resolve most persistent UVerse issues. Remember to be patient during resets and always check connections before calling for support.